Is it on? Okay. What's up? We're not playing touch football game because I'm making another game. So I decided to play this game instead. This is called OBBY, but you're a bird. As you see, I'm on 802 meters right now. Let's make it to like 100. Make it to 100 when you go to the party, and we're done. We're gonna finish it. I'm making like a video like soon. Yeah, it's probably my favorite hobbies, but let's get started. So, I'm gonna follow this. They thought they would trick me. No! You gotta reset. That was tricky. I was still pink. No, I was yellow. Oh my! No, I'm supposed to go there. Now I get it. I'll just reset. Yo, where's my candy? Oh. And I'm not going yet. Oh my god! I keep going late. Oh, I'm blue. Oh, where am I supposed to go? I was scared. Candy. Okay. Where am I supposed to go? I did it. Okay. I just don't have to die. Or I'll try to do it. Or I'll do that again. Let's go there. There's nothing up here. Oh. Let me see that. I don't even know where to go. Gotta go up. Should we go to climb up this tree? Can I do that? Is that possible? I think it is. Look. Here? No. And I like how it squeaks. No. This is impossible. Bro, I'm making a part 2 of this. Okay, we made it. Oh, no, checkpoint. Okay. Okay, I thought I wasn't gonna make that. How? How do I do this? I fell. I reset. Okay, we gotta go here. How is it? How can we do that? I'm gonna do it. Oh. That's possible? That's possible? How did I do that? It's obviously like, what's that game? The one that's like all 500 meters. There's like a bunch of stuff that I need to jump on, and it's so high. It's like that game. And it's, wait. Let's go here. Cave. Back here. I'm supposed to go over there. where'd I go? How? Ow! Oh, there. That's not that's possible? Oh, that changes. Can we go up here? I'm gonna go now! No! 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 Bruh. Oh my god. I tried so hard. I hate these spikes. I only died because of the spike like 3 times. Now it's like my 4th time. Oh my, you scared me. Okay, that's where I died last time. It's so hard. Okay. What time is it? Oh, okay, 12:46. I feel like I touched that, but it didn't. Oh. Oh, I did for try. Jump over there. Now I go up here. Where can I go? Oh, okay, I made it. Party duck! We're about to finish it. Oh, you really thought I was gonna go there? That's what you early. I can do that? I'm gonna go for this one. No! I have to restart. No! No! Oh, so it's not gonna be the end of the video. I touched that. How did I not die? Oh! Mine. Do that all again? I touched it. I say 9. Am I level 9? You bumped my head one time, again? I'm about to leave the game. This is also a 200-meter obby. Gonna fall out early. Okay, I was about to get mad. Oh my Jesus. Don't bump my head. The first time again. Oh my. I keep double jumping. I'm gonna go. Okay. No, you. Did I touch that? Did I touch that? I'm looking at that on CapCut. Oh my. I touched it. done playing that. Alright. I just need a quick break. That scared me for a sec. I jumped that high? Oh. Oh, my camera does that. I'm going for it! I did it. What? Oh. Oh, that's a perfect one. I did it. Please. I'm almost there. I heard it.